How to write a problem solution essay or the advantage disadvantage essay. In this clip, you will learn how to write the different paragraphs to create a problem solution essay or the advantage disadvantage essay. These paragraphs are the introduction paragraph, the discussion paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph. These are the suggestions for the introductory paragraph. You can state the topic, give background information, describe the condition or the problem, and give a hint of what you intend to present and discuss in the next paragraphs. This is an example of an introduction paragraph. The topic is traffic congestion. Traffic congestion is a major problem in the daily life in most cities, and it requires immediate attention. Traffic congestion has negative results such as accidents, pollution, road rage, as well as waste of time and money. To eliminate these serious effects, the government and the people must consider solutions carefully. If you look at this paragraph, the first sentence states the topic. Then is followed by a description of traffic congestion or your topic. The last paragraph is a linker that connects your topic to the succeeding paragraphs. Following your introduction paragraph are your discussion paragraphs. In these paragraphs, you introduced possible solutions to solve the problem. And you give advantages and disadvantages for each of the solution. Let me give you an example of a discussion paragraph. Look at this example. The most popular solutions involved engineering. Building more roads, bridges, wider lanes, more parking areas will result in more spaces for vehicles. Cars, buses, and all other transports can travel at the same time and can avoid congested areas. However, the cost for these new constructions are extremely high. So these engineering solutions have both advantages and disadvantages. This is another example of a discussion paragraph. Note how the first sentence introduces the solution. It is followed by an advantage of the solution. And finally, it is a description of the disadvantages of the solution. Likewise, this model discussion paragraph presents the same pattern. The first sentence introduces a solution. It is followed by the advantages of the solution and the disadvantages of the solution. The last paragraph in your essay is the conclusion paragraph. In the conclusion paragraph, you can do any of the following. You can remind the reader of the topic of the essay. You can make a concluding comment, such as an opinion or a prediction on what you think is the best solution based on your discussion. And you can also give an advice or encourage action to support the best solution. Here is now an example or a model for a conclusion paragraph. In conclusion, there are many positive solutions to solve traffic congestion and its negative consequences. Although all these solutions have good advantages, they also pose some disadvantages. Of all these suggestions, cycling and using public transport have the best benefits. Drivers and commuters should support these solutions. In summary, you can see the structure of your essay